This is a real electrical accident that happened all around a 110 kV substation. The operator holds the infrared thermal imaging camera for routine inspection. Suddenly found that the value was wrong. Maximum temperature 18.4 degrees, and the B phase next to it is only 16.6 degrees. Temperature difference 1.8 thousand. According to DL or T6642016 application. Specification for infrared diagnosis of live equipment. That's a temperature differential that has reached critical defect status. As soon as the data comes out, everyone takes a deep breath. The total current value of phase C is more than twice that of phase A and phase B. Resistive current is even more outrageous. It's about 11 times as big as A and B. According to Q or GW 11369-2014, Guidelines for Field Application of Surge Arrestor Leakage Current Live Detection Technology. When compared horizontally, all products in the same batch are current or resistive current difference of more than 70%. Even if the parameters do not exceed the standard, the arrestor may also be abnormal. This is in the power operation and maintenance system. Power outage inspection should be done immediately when the power consumption of the C phase is an order of magnitude higher than that of the A and B phases. It is in perfect agreement with the results of infrared temperature measurement. Looking at the historical data again, from April to December, just 8 months, the resistive current of this arrestor has increased nearly 13 times. Q or GW 11369-2014 regulations. When the resistive current is doubled, the power outage should be checked, and it's more than a dozen times. Each 1% increase in resistive current, the valve plate temperature rises a few degrees. The increase in temperature further increases the resistive current. It's a vicious cycle of acceleration. And here's what's even scarier. The same type of arrestor for other phases, and adjacent stations at the same station. 80% have varying degrees of resistive current growth. This is a classic familial defect. The reason surfaced. The bases of these arrestors are made of wooden insulation blocks. Incomplete drying during production. In humid environments. Wood hygroscopic expansion, forming channels for moisture to enter. Moisture seeps up from the base little by little. The valve plate is slowly damped from bottom to top. So, when selecting a base, it is recommended to give priority to the arrestor with epoxy resin insulated base, or choose a metal hot dip galvanized base with epoxy insulator. The new arrestor should be put into operation at complete the first live test within 3 months. Resistive current only accounts FO, are about 10% to 20% of the total current. When the resistive current increases by 30% to 50% from the initial value, it is necessary to strengthen monitoring, infrared temperature measurement and resistive current testing. Yes, the internal defect of the arrestor has been found so far. The most effective means of live detection. Have you ever encountered a similar situation in your website? Familial defects are often deeply hidden and harmful. Welcome to chat about the cases you have seen in the comment area. You can also post and share. We will continue to share power safety dry goods.